Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be creating Pikachu using polymer clay. First I'm gonna be creating the armature. For the armature I'm using aluminum foil and wire. I'm trying to create a Pikachu shape using the aluminum foil, and I'm creating the tail, hands and feet using wire. Now I'm using masking tape to hold up everything together. I'm covering most of the aluminum foil with masking tape. Now we are ready to add some clay. For this figurine I'm using colored polymer clay. This clay gets hard when you bake it. I'm using the sculpting tool to smooth the clay. Now I'm cutting the clay to create the Pikachu tail. I'm using the sculpting tool to create the details. I'm using baby oil to smooth the surface. Typically I use clay softener for this. I'm not sure yet if I like it or not. Now I'm creating the feet details using the sculpting tool. And now I'm creating the hand details using the sculpting tool. It's looking good, and now it's ready for the first bake. Don't forget to subscribe if you like Pokemons, and check out other Pokemon figurines on the channel. Now I'm creating the brown details of the Pikachu tail. I'm using the sculpting tool for creating the details. Now I'm creating the brown stripes on the back of the Pikachu. I'm carving out some of the details. Since the body is already baked, I'm able to carve the details. Now I'm creating the mouth details. Like before, I'm adding clay on top of the already baked clay. Now I'm adding the mouth red details. I did a quick bake of the pink part using the heat gun. Now it's easier to work with the red details. I'm using the sculpting tool to do the details. I'm carving out the space for the ear tip using the X-Acto knife. Now I'm adding the tip of the ear using black clay. Now I'm creating the eyes using a ball of black clay. Now I'm creating the nose using a small ball of black clay. Now I'm creating the eyes using a small ball of white clay. We're almost done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To finish, I'm creating the cheeks using a ball of red clay. And the figurine is done. Let me know in the comments what do you think of it.
I wanna be the very best.
And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
To catch them is my real test. To train them is my call.